Yes, we are ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Yeah. Good. How many copies have you prepared? Okay, here we are. Where's my pen? I have reviewed the budget that was passed by the Nairobi County Assembly. I've identified the various inconsistencies with the Constitution of Kenya, the Public Finance Management Act, and the County Government Acts. It is for this reason that I return this bill to the County Assembly for further consideration as provided for in Section 24 of the County Government Act.